Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring you another original knot. This is the Boss Wreath knot. Let's get started. This is at my left side as usual. And we're going to come in and just put a fold and bring it over to the center. We're going to tie this with the skinny end of the tie. We're going to bring that across the front there. We're going to loop it right back over here like this. Then we're going to go straight down like this. Then we're going to come back around. And we're going to go straight down again and then come back around. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to, from here, do a wreath and just bring it straight up beside it like this. I want to cinch that up, and then we're going to do a wreath like this right here. And then we're going to do a wreath like this right here, and then come back down across like that. Now we'll use this base to build a lot of different wreath knots in the future, but this is the introductory way of just this way right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this across the center like this, and then come over like that. So there you have the Boss Wreath. So again, own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. Catch you in the next video. Put the buttons down. And if you want to see the picture of this, you can go to my Instagram, Simmonsessentials, and see it. And we'll fix that collar because that collar's really bothering me. Because we don't want the collar to be down. I mean, we want the collar to be down, not up. There you have it. Peace and God bless.